Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart. Today I will show you how to connect Google Ads and turn your advertising data into simple charts you can monitor and share. You can track clicks, impressions, conversions, cost, CTR, and more in one dashboard. First, sign in to your MonChart account using your credentials. Go to Profile page and find Google Ads and click Connect. Now go to your boards and click Add Tile. Choose Google Ads and click Add all of them. Once your charts are ready, generate an AI summary for quick overview of the results. You can remove charts you don't need and keep the dashboard focused on the metrics that matters to you. When your dashboard is ready, keep it private or publish it for your team. You can also embed it into any website documentation or internal portal. Enable auto-sync and MonChart will refresh your Google Ads charts on schedule. Keep it in mind that recent conversion numbers can change slightly while Google's attribution states it's updated. Google Ads Analytics is available with MonChart Premium. You can try it with 7-day free trial. You can also combine Google Ads with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, YouTube, GitHub, Salesforce, Stripe, Zendesk, Jira, Cloudflare, Netlify, and other integrations. Connect your Google Ads account, build your first advertising dashboard, and start monitoring your campaign at monchart.com. If the tutorial was useful, subscribe for more short tutorials on analytics integration and live dashboards. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.